everyone, welcome to our classroom. Today we are on a trip here and we have behind us Bella Vegan Dog. She's been vegan since 2017, since August. And so she's going to be coming up in a couple of months to being vegan for 4 years. Now, I myself had my happy vegan declaration day just yesterday. On June 27th, I became vegan for 5 years. And as you can see, I'm not dead yet, just hanging in there, not lacking any protein just yet. So if I can do it and Bella can do it, maybe you can do it too. All right, now I'm going to throw Bella this branch because she's being really super patient. All right, Bella? All right, here we go. One, I'm going to throw, you know what, I'm going to switch hands because I don't want to throw with my left hand. It's not as good for her. I'm going to throw with my right hand. Okay, you ready, Bella? Everybody loves you so much. They're watching you. 1, 2, 3. All right, there's Bella. So Bella has not had any eggs, she has not had any milk, she has not had any animals. She has been fully vegan, eating a healthy brand of nutritious dog food. Make sure you get a brand that is formulated for vegan dogs. That means that it has taurine in it and all of the proper proteins and minerals and vitamins so that your dog can be strong and healthy. There is absolutely no reason to pay people to kill other animals for your dog. How does that make any sense? I mean, it would be like, somebody else in your family, like let's say it was your kid, and you thought that your kid needed to eat other kids in order to stay healthy. So you thought, I'm gonna just go out there and murder the kid next door because, hey, I gotta save my kid, so I'm gonna kill the kid next door. How does that make any sense? If you're so delusional to think that your kid needs to kill another kid, or you need to kill another kid for your kid, like something's seriously wrong. You gotta just check yourself into a hospital. Just do it right now. If you think that you need to pay people to murder other animals for your dog, it's the same. I invite you to tell me, how is it any different? Why pay for murder if you don't have to? Be kind and be vegan. Hey, Bella? Now, Bella just loves hanging onto the branches. She chews them for a long time. And when she's good and ready, she will let me throw it in. All right, so what did you learn? Be vegan. What else did you learn? Don't pay for murder if you don't have to. Look, be vegan. Give a shit. Care beyond yourself. Don't just care about you. Care about future generations. Care about the world at large. Care about the animals. Care about the environment. There are so many suffering sentient beings alive right now. There are children who are starving. There are animals who are crying right now, dying on trucks. They are literally on the trucks for up to 2 days in boiling hot conditions, crammed together, 200 pigs at a time, vomiting all over each other. This bile, because their stomachs are empty. Why? Because they don't feed them before they put them on these trucks. It is absolutely heartbreaking to know that this goes on. And these animals are being murdered for nothing, just for your taste pleasure. They will be murdered in gas chambers after 2 days on trucks, boiling to death, crowded, sad, frustrated, in pain, suffering, bewildered. We have betrayed them. Stop hurting animals. Be kind. Be vegan. Start now. Don't hurt any chickens, pigs, lambs, turkeys, or cows. When you go shopping, only put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart because peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart. Look around the grocery store. Look at all the other things that you can eat. There's an abundance of other foods everywhere. Eat those things. Be curious. Google vegan recipes. All right, let me switch hands here. Bella's ready again. Hey, Bella. Okay. 1, 2, 3. She just loves hopping in the water. She's not really swimming because it's quite shallow. But this is the highlight of her day. It's very, very hot here today. So she's just super happy when you have the time. I'm either editing or I'm doing other videos. And so when I get the chance, I just run down here and let her in the water. My dog honestly lives like a queen. Think of all the other dogs in the world who don't have access to this water, or all of the other animals. Chickens by the billions. Billions of chickens are alive. There are double the chickens on the planet than there are humans. Can you imagine that? And where are they? You don't see them. They are hidden on factory farms, suffering in silence, in darkness, with their beaks trimmed off, oversized because we bred them into these crazy shapes that they can't even stand. Don't eat chickens ever again. Don't eat chicken wings. Don't eat chicken legs. Don't eat any cows. Don't eat veal. Eat vegan burgers. Choose soy milk. Choose plant milks. Choose oat milk. Don't choose cow's milk ever. If your parents think that you need cow's milk, show them the documentary Dairy is Scary. It's only 5 minutes long. There is no reason to hurt animals at all. There's no reason to ride horses. I know many of you think that you love horses and then you think, oh well, my horse wants me to ride him or her. Horses should be in the wild, left alone. Don't abuse them. Don't sit on their backs. Horses are not your entertainment. They are not here for you. Horses are on this planet, like all animals, to be with us. Don't breed dogs into existence or any other animals. Adopt dogs. Don't breed them. Don't force them to have babies and then take their babies away from them. The only reason that you should have a dog in your home is if you rescued that dog. Don't get a dog just for yourself. And believe me, I understand what that is like. When your heart is broken and you're sad and you feel lonely, you might think, well, maybe I need a dog to cheer me up. But what your question should be is, does the dog need you? If the dog needs you, okay, that's different. You're saving the dog's life. You're protecting an animal. But if you are lonely or sad, that is not a reason to get a dog. Do not pay people to breed them. There's no such thing as breeding in a good way at all. You are creating dogs, and instead of people going to the shelters to get them, to adopt them, they end up buying them. So you're essentially, in doing this act, you're contributing to the murder, the sadness, the confinement of other dogs that need to be adopted. If there's no dog at the moment that needs to be adopted, well, just wait. One will come up. Cats. Cats can be vegan. If you don't believe it and want an actual real-life example, go and follow Vegan Gains. He has a vegan cat at the moment. His cat's quite big and doing just fine. His name's Prismo. He's pretty cute. I don't have a cat personally, but I know that vegan cats can thrive on specially formulated vegan cat food. If you want to get some dog food or cat food, go in the link below into the description and you will see Vigor. VGRRR.com. Go and get some there. Order some from them. Thanks for watching today. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe. You can press the notification button as well, and then you will be here. I'm often here during the premieres, pasting a whole bunch of comments, trying to educate people. Press the notification bell so it will go bing in your phone. Tell me why you're vegan. How did you become vegan? Tell me about your journey. Tell me how much you are so proud of yourself. Tell me when your vegan declaration day was. Brag. I'm all for it. Brag to me. Tell me how you really wanted to eat that cookie that was in the staff room and you knew it had eggs and dairy in it, but you just didn't do it. And even when nobody was looking, you didn't do it because you know it's wrong to contribute to these industries. Tell me how brave you are, how you stood up to your family and your neighbors and your friends. Tell me how you are smart. Tell me about the documentaries that you saw. Did you see Earthlings? Did you see Dominion Movement? Did you see Forks Over Knives? Did you see Cowspiracy? Did you see Seaspiracy? Do you know what they do in the oceans? It is horrific. The amount of plastic that is in there from fishing. Fishing nets are dropped in there. 50%, no, it's not 50%, I think it's 46%, less than 50%, but about very close. Of the plastic that is in the oceans is from fishing lines dropped in there and left, and whales are getting all caught up into it, and dolphins are getting caught up into it, and when they fish and they grab the fish out of the ocean in these massive, massive, massive amounts, they take out the ones that they think that you want to eat and they throw the rest back in, dead. Mass murder for no reason. This does not belong to us. We can visit. Okay, here's how you visit the water. You walk in like this, and you visit. You don't disturb anything. You can also swim around. You take a little sailboat. but don't go in there and commit murder. Don't sit there with a fishing line and contemplate premeditated murder. Leave animals alone. Thank you for listening. I'll see you all in the next video. Did you see?